Good day everyone, my name is Hannah Joy Arivilla and my topic is all about filariasis. Before that, I have an icebreaker. And the title of my icebreaker is Gibberish Game. Dito, need nyo i-guess yung word or phrase para maayos nyo yung sentence. Bibigyan ko kayo ng 10 seconds para mag-isip at bago sumagot. So, let's start. Don't touch my stuff. And the answer is, don't touch my stuff. Next is SpongeBob SquarePants. The answer is SpongeBob SquarePants. Next, buy one get one free. And the answer is buy one get one free. So let's get back to my topic. Filariasis, also known as lymphangitis. Filariasis is a filiary infection caused by parasitic nematodes spread by different vectors. There are included in the list of neglected tropical diseases. The most common type of lymphatic filariasis caused by 3 species of filaria that are spread by mosquitoes. At ito ay nag-transmitted to human through mosquitoes bites. Causative agent. First, Wucheria brancopti is a parasitic filarial nematode worm. Next, Brugia malayi, a filarial nematode, a type of parasitic worm that causes lymphatic filariasis. And the last is Brugia timori, is a filarial nematode or roundworm that causes tumor filariasis. Mode of transmission. It can be transmitted through the bites of infected mosquitoes, including Culex. These mosquitoes are known to transmit disease like West Nile virus and encephalitis. Next is Anopheles. These mosquitoes are known to transmitting malaria. And next is Aedes. This genus includes species like the Asian tiger mosquito or Aedes albopictus, which are known to transmit diseases like dengue fever or Zika virus. Pathogenesis. When infected mosquitoes bite people, mature parasite larvae are deposited on the skin from where they enter the body. Second, the larvae then migrate to the lymphatic vessels where they develop into adult worm. Third, adult females release microfilarian, the free larval form of the filarial worm, into the lymph and blood vessels. Fourth, mosquitoes bite vectors when they ingest these microfilariae during a blood meal of an infected human host. Fifth, the microfilarian sheets penetrate mosquitoes' midgut and migrate the thoracic muscles. Sixth, transform into larvae and migrate to mosquito's head and proboscis. Clinical manifestation. Asymptomatic. Acute filariasis. Ang under nito is filiar fever, headache, shaking, chills, muscle pain, pain and swelling in the lymph nodes of the arms, legs, or scrotum. Eosinophilia. Acute inflammation or lymphatic vessel or lymphangitis. Next is chronic filariasis. Ang mga under nito ay lymphoedema or lymphangitis or skin tissue thickening of the limbs, scrotum, vulva, and breast. And under din ito ay hydrocele and tropical pulmonary eosinophilia syndrome. Laboratory diagnosis. Ang mga under nito ay serologic techniques including anti-filarial IgG1 and IgG4. Next is microscopic examination of blood smear. Dito, ina-check yung blood sa microscope to assess the size, shape, and number of blood cell. And next is immuno. Ang under nito is chromatographic test or ICT. Next, polymerase chain reaction or PCR. ito ay laboratory technique. And the next is cynomonitoring. Dito ay collecting and testing blood feeding insects like mosquitoes to detect the DNA or RNA of pathogens. And the next is antigen detection test. Ito ay quick diagnostic test para ma-detect yung presence at absence of a specific antigen. And the last is ultrasound. Treatment, medication, or antiparasitic medicines. Ang mga under nito ay diet with carbamazine citrate or DEC. At under din ito ay albendazole and ivermectin. At maliban sa medication ay meron ding surgery. At merong other 6 ways to manage lymphatic filariasis include: first, washing the affected area with soap and water twice a day. Second, clipping nails regularly and keeping them clean. Third, treating local injuries or infections with antibiotic ointments. Fourth, applying antifungal ointment to the feet daily. Fifth, wearing properly fitting shoes. Raising the affected limb at night to reduce swelling. And 6, practicing good hygiene, skincare, and exercise. Prevention. Keep surrounding clean. Remove standing water from surrounding to avoid breeding sites. Use mosquito repellents. Indoor residual spraying. Use mosquito net while sleeping. Use full sleeve dress at night. And avoiding mosquitoes bites is the best form of prevention.